Hello everyone, my name is Arjun and welcome back to my channel. How about some hot soup in this cold weather, which is not only comforting but also super healthy. So before we get into it, please subscribe to my channel. Just like all other comfort foods, everyone has their own version of tomato soup. Some like it creamy or thick, some like it clear like shorba, some like it sweet while others like it hot and spicy, adding various herbs and vegetables as per their liking. Today I'll be making the tomato soup I grew up having, so let's get into it. I'll start by adding roughly 2 to 3 cups of water in my cooker. And I'll turn on the flame. Now I'll chop my vegetables. I have thoroughly washed them. I'll roughly chop them. Tomato, now I'll add in the carrot. The carrot adds texture and sweetness. And last I'll add in the turnip. The turnip adds sharpness and sweetness too. Now I'll roughly chop coriander with sticks. Now I'll cover it with its lid and I'll wait for 1 whistle.
5 minutes later.
Now it's done. Now I'll let it cool before I can open it.
5 minutes later.
Now that it's somewhat cool, I'll mix it all together with a hand blender. Now it's time to strain it. Now I'll be giving it a very simple tempering. I'll switch on the flame and I'll add in butter. Now that the butter has melted, I'll pour in our soup. Time to add in the seasonings. Salt, black salt, roasted jeera powder. Let's give it a mix. I'll also add in some sugar. Now I'll let it simmer for 3 to 4 minutes. In the meantime, we'll prepare our quick and easy croutons. I'll start by taking a few bread slices and I'll cut them into tiny bite-sized squares. will take a large bowl and I'll add in olive oil, some salt, and my favorite garlic seasoning. And I'll mix it. Now I'll add the bread to it. And I'll toss it. At this stage, you could either bake it, toast it, or fry it. But I'll be air frying it. Be careful, it won't take more than 3 to 4 minutes to be crispy and brown. Our soup and croutons are ready. Let's plate it. Ta-da! Let's give it a try. This soup came out so amazing. It's super tasty and super healthy. Do give it a try. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel and stay tuned for more videos like this. Thank you.